Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I thought to share with you a quick and inexpensive way to DIY your own logo using Canva. So if till now you haven't subscribed to my channel, do hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I come up with a new video. So let's start. First, we have to search canva.com. This is what it looks like when you are logged in. We'll be going to search menu, then we'll be typing logo. You have to click on this first suggestion, that is logo 500 into 500 pixels. Here, as you can see, there are many templates. You can choose any that goes with your brand. So I'll be choosing this. I like this one. On your left, you can see many other templates. You can choose and customize it. So I have chosen this and I'll be customizing this. You can choose any of the element to customize. So as I'll be choosing this text. In this, not only you can change the font, but you can change the size, color, background, add shapes, add photos, many things. So I'll be changing the name of it. Now I'll be clicking here and writing. Now I'll be changing the font size. This is fine. Now I'll be changing the font. Here it's an important thing to note. As you can see, there are crowns made on some fonts. This means they are pro and you have to pay for this font. So if you like this font and you want it desperately, you can pay it. But otherwise stick on the free logo, free fonts. So I'll be choosing one of them. So I've chosen this font. And for the main text, I'll be choosing this one. Yes. Now, if I wish to change the font color, I can do that. You can see it. But as I like this color only, so I'll be keeping it as it is. Now I can even change the background color. Any color that goes with the text. So I like the black color, so I'll be choosing this. Now according to me, this logo is absolutely fine. So I'll be going to downloads. I'll be downloading this file in the form of PNG. Download. Here is my downloaded file. As you can see, there is no other background, leaving the one that I made. And in this way you can make many other logos but some templates, some photos, some colors, some font, not colors, only fonts are in this crown. That means pro, and pro here means you have to pay for it. So as you can see here, it's written get this image and million more with Canva Pro or paid $1. But there are some other images that are free. So you have to keep that in mind. And with this, I end my video. That's all for today. Do like, share, comment to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.